Lucas was an intelligent and creative young man, but there was something that set him apart from the rest. He was incredibly shy. He preferred the company of his books and his thoughts to the bustling social interactions. Every time there was a party in town, Lucas stayed home, looking out the window as the neighbors gathered to celebrate. He felt uncomfortable in crowds and didn't know how to connect with others. He often wondered if he would ever be able to overcome his shyness and connect with people the way others did. One day, Lucas began searching on YouTube for videos on how to be sociable and came across this one. Lucas, you could be yourself without even knowing it. Today, I'll give you a complete guide with practical tips and strategies so you can become a friendlier and more socially attractive person. Step 1. Know and accept your personality. Some people are naturally more introverted and prefer smaller, more meaningful social interactions. You might think, but I already know myself, I know what I like and don't like, and all that stuff. That's true, but have you ever thought about how you talk, how you move, and all that? The first step to knowing yourself is to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Make a list of your strengths and weaknesses in social situations. Be honest with yourself and don't try to lie to yourself. This will help you know which areas you need to work on more and which ones you can rely on. Accept your social style. If you are more introverted, don't force yourself to be the life of the party. Look for situations that feel comfortable and start socializing in small groups. Be authentic, don't try to be someone you're not. I've seen this a lot. Guys start acting differently with others, and that performance doesn't suit them at all. Authenticity is key to being charismatic. People can sense when someone is not being genuine, and that can drive them away. To get to know yourself better, you can try taking personality tests available online, such as the Big 5 personality test. These tests will give you a clearer idea of your personal characteristics and preferences. Step 2. Body language. Body language is a fundamental part of communication. The way you present yourself physically can say a lot about you. Maintain an open posture. Avoid crossing your arms or slouching. Keep an upright and relaxed posture. This will make you appear more accessible and confident. Make eye contact. Eye contact shows that you are interested and engaged in the conversation. Try to maintain eye contact, but without being intimidating. Use natural gestures. Smile more, but not all the time, as it can make people not take you seriously. Record yourself during a conversation and analyze your body language. Don't be embarrassed. Recording yourself can be a useful tool for improvement. Step 3. Improve your listening skills. Pay attention. When someone is talking to you, give them your full attention and make eye contact. Avoid getting distracted by your phone or looking around. It makes you look foolish. If the person is telling you something boring, try to change the topic when there is a pause, but never look at your phone while talking to someone. If you can't look them in the eyes, look at their forehead. Don't interrupt. Let the other person finish speaking before responding. Interrupting can make the other person feel like you don't value their opinion. Paraphrase and respond. Respond to what they've said to show that you've been paying attention. You can paraphrase what they've said and add your thoughts or questions. Step 4. Improve your conversation skills. Being able to maintain an interesting and fluid conversation is essential to being more sociable. Talk about interesting topics. Have a list of conversation topics ready. It can be helpful to stay up to date with news, current events, and popular topics. Here are some topics you can talk about. Books, movies, or TV series you've enjoyed recently. Food and cooking, including favorite recipes or recommended restaurants. Hobbies and favorite activities. Social changes and trends in society. Sports and recent sporting events. Sharing stories. To improve your conversation skills, practice in different social contexts, from family dinners to professional networking events. Step 5. Social activities. Get involved in social activities to expand your social circle. Here are some ideas. Join groups and clubs. Look for groups or clubs that align with your interests. It could be a book club, a sports team, or a cooking class. Volunteering. Get involved in volunteer activities. Not only is it a great way to help others, but it also allows you to meet people with similar interests. Organize your own gatherings. Don't wait to be invited. Organize your own gatherings, dinners, or outings. This gives you control over the situation and allows you to get to know people better in a comfortable setting. Joining extracurricular activities can also be an excellent way to meet new people and develop social skills in a structured and supportive environment. Step 6. Be assertive. Assertiveness is the ability to express your thoughts and feelings in a respectful and direct manner. Communicate clearly. Express your thoughts and feelings clearly and directly. Avoid beating around the bush or being passive-aggressive. Respect others' feelings. Being assertive doesn't mean being aggressive. Respect others' feelings and opinions while expressing your own. Learn to say no. Don't be afraid to say no when necessary. If you say yes all the time to every proposal, you'll seem like a man without character. Setting boundaries is important for maintaining healthy relationships. Step 7. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Put yourself in others' shoes. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. Ask yourself how you would feel if you were in their situation. Practice active listening. Listen attentively and respond in a way that shows you understand what the other person is going through. Be patient. Empathy requires patience. Take the time to truly understand the other person. Empathy not only improves your personal relationships but can also have a positive impact on your professional life, especially in leadership or customer service roles. Step 8. Your appearance. Your appearance can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. Because let's be serious, you won't go talk to someone looking like a homeless person, with tangled and messy hair, and smelling bad. Dress appropriately. Wear stylish clothes that you feel good in. Avoid tight pants that make you look delicate, or overly large clothes that make you look short. Make sure your clothes are clean. Groom yourself well. A good haircut and proper grooming can significantly improve your appearance. Remember, people often judge based on first impressions. Step 9. Your confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities. Here are some tips to boost your confidence. Set realistic goals. Define achievable goals and work towards them. Achieving objectives will provide you with a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-esteem. Practice self-care. Take time to care for your emotional and physical well-being. This can include regular exercise, meditation, leisure time, and activities you enjoy. Visualize success. Imagine situations where you feel confident and successful. Visualizing yourself facing challenges and overcoming them can help build confidence. Step out of your comfort zone, challenge your limits and face your fears. Doing things that scare you can be a powerful way to build confidence. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are learning opportunities. Reflect on your experiences and discover how you can improve in the future. Practice gratitude and prayer. Take note of your achievements and things you are grateful for. Recognizing your successes and blessings can increase your confidence and emotional well-being. Remember that confidence is an ongoing process and requires practice and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep working on yourself and confidence will grow over time. Remember that improving your social skills takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Over time, you will feel more comfortable and confident in a variety of social situations. These 9 steps provide a comprehensive guide to improving your social skills and becoming a more charismatic person. Practice these tips in your daily life and see how your social interactions become more satisfying and meaningful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this.